September sales report and best-selling items. For the month of September, I had 74 sales across all stores. This is a 37% decrease from the 117 sales I had last month. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie 45, Weddings by Rhoadie 9, Homeschool Me 13, Rhoadie's Kitchen 2, Mama Africa 2, Bible Verses and Gifts 3, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever Family Photo T-shirt was my best-selling item for the month of September. In second place is a new entry, Birthday Wishes for Him photo card. Also a new entry in third place was my birthday card for a husband classy greeting card. The rest of my sales were bath towels, t-shirts, and other greeting cards. Honorable mentions. I am surprised I sold this St. Patrick's themed baby blanket in September. Maybe it's for a baby that is due in March. Referrals. I had 3 referrals for the month of September. Wedding stationery. Takeaways. I have noticed a downward trend for the past couple of months. I think it may have something to do with me getting married this summer and I haven't been working on my stores. However, I am grateful for the amount of sales I still consistently see on a daily basis. I am readjusting to my new life, and for the time being, I plan to continue to design and promote my products. I may have to look into other options, like a virtual assistant, in the future as my life continues to grow. This goes to show how taking a couple of months off can dramatically reduce your sales. Thank you for watching.